All right, everyone, we are done with the tour, Union Pacific, Ogden, Utah, Union Station. If you recognize, that is the entrance up there for tickets, and the main train depot back in the day. You can go inside this little caboose. On the museum side, you can look here if you didn't want to pay. So I just wanted to end it here on the north end. Oh crap, I forgot, we have cars. We got to do a quick tour of this, guys. This is awesome. Okay, these are Browning's cars. Hi guys.
Hello.
Is it okay if I take photos?
As long as there's no flash photography.
No flash. Thank you. Oh, they're beautiful. Wow. Wow. Gorgeous. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Man. You're okay, guys. Sorry. Look at this one. 1929. $1937 Packard. I don't like the color. Pretty picky about my colors. What? Look at these oldies. 1911 Knox. $1909. Wow. 1909. There's a caddy for you. 1930 Cadillac right here. 1929 Drunt. Oh, here's your favorite peeps, a little buggy. It's actually considered a 1901 Oldsmobile. Howdy. Man, those are old. That's crazy. That is the 1911 Knox, folks, with the rumble seat there in the back. That is so cool. This is actually, I guess, considered a rumble seat here on this red one. Wow. That's the Lincoln, 1935 Hudson. Wow. The lighting isn't real great in here, but boy, they are beautiful. And I don't know if they're not if it's not coming across that way. But man, they are, look at that. They are pretty. Look at Lincoln. Look at where the rear view mirror is. God, that's a pretty car. Well, here's a better angle for this one. This one here. So cool. So cool. Look at that. That's a pretty one too. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. All right, folks, that ends our tour. We hit every museum, and I did rush through, sorry. But you can come, enjoy, especially if you like trains, guns, and cars. Thanks so much for watching.